Virtual beings reshape entertainment, social interaction, healthcare, enterprise, gaming, education, and ethical landscapes across global industries. Virtual beings and digital avatars continue to transform entertainment, notably through projects like ABBA's collaboration with Pop House Entertainment, creating AI-assisted musical experiences, and Spice Girls avatars planned for ABBA-style virtual concerts. Additionally, Cosm offers immersive cinema experiences with shared reality presentations of popular films such as The Matrix. Crunchyroll's anime-inspired avatars in collaboration with Fira Xware highlight fashion integration, further demonstrating digital humans' growing role in contemporary pop culture. Entertainment AI and NAB Show emphasize the expanding use of AI-driven entertainment, integrating intelligent content automation, avatar performances, and holograms to provide emotionally engaging experiences. The metaverse incorporates virtual humans and avatars significantly, providing immersive social experiences and digital interactions in platforms featuring virtual clubs, casinos, and events. These digital avatars, as discussed in the Australian, Bet US, and Meta's various initiatives, serve social engagement and virtual presence, reshaping how people interact digitally in environments ranging from leisure to gambling, supported by smart glasses and other AR tools from companies like Meta and Samsung. Generative AI technology is widely utilized to create digital avatars and synthetic personalities, significantly influencing sectors like Hollywood, fashion, and fraud prevention. Studios in Hollywood quietly integrate generative AI to streamline content production and create lifelike avatars, with companies like Apple showcasing 3D avatars capable of realistic emotional expressions. AI-based synthetic identities and personas, as discussed in retail customer experience, also play an increasing role in combating fraud through advanced detection systems. AI companions and virtual therapists are becoming prominent in healthcare, providing continuous emotional and psychological support. Platforms like Replika highlight virtual companions' growing role in mental health and wellness, despite regulatory warnings from bodies like the FTC about potential emotional risks. The BMC Psychiatry study further explores therapeutic potentials, detailing how virtual humans facilitate emotionally synchronized interactions, contributing to personalized therapy. Virtual avatars increasingly assist enterprise workflows through agentic AI systems, streamlining operations such as meeting management, as demonstrated by Otter.ai's avatars handling routine meetings. AI-generated avatars also find use as expert virtual coaches in professional training, notably Google Labs Portraits, which leverage insights from real-life experts to provide personalized, interactive coaching. AI characters, digital companions, and synthetic NPCs have deeply impacted gaming and immersive storytelling experiences. RBW's partnership with Almigo demonstrates how AI-generated digital avatars provide interactive and personalized gaming and social experiences. Additionally, Epic Games integrates advanced AI-driven NPCs into Fortnite, enhancing interactive narratives through sophisticated virtual personalities, further enriched by Epic's Persona device. The rise of digital humans and virtual avatars raises significant ethical and regulatory concerns. Law.com highlights legal debates about employing AI-generated avatars as witnesses, emphasizing transparency and accountability. OpenAI has uncovered influence operations exploiting AI avatars and synthetic personas for coordinated misinformation campaigns, underscoring challenges in governance, as evidenced by investigations by bodies like the FTC and OpenAI into misuse and emotional risks associated with AI avatars. Virtual humans and pedagogical avatars are revolutionizing education and training by providing intelligent tutoring systems, ITS, and immersive educational environments. Platforms like XR Today emphasize the effectiveness of avatars as virtual instructors or peers, offering interactive, realistic learning experiences that enhance retention and engagement. Frontiers introduced Milo, an open-source LLM-based virtual human platform for extended reality, underscoring the growth and accessibility of digital humans in immersive educational contexts. Virtual beings emerge as influential figures across entertainment, marketing, healthcare, gaming, and cultural conversations online. Virtual beings, including digital humans and avatars, are prominently featured across platforms such as Reddit, YouTube, Fab, Hacker News, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Meta. Reddit discussions showcase user-generated Roblox avatars, immersive avatars via Google Beam technology, and AI-generated video avatars through platforms like Stable Diffusion. YouTube hosts a variety of digital human content, including humorous AI self-awareness videos, emotionally expressive digital human shorts such as Aria, and music performances by digital humans like a rendition of Charlie Puth's See You Again. Fab.com promotes MetaHuman creations compatible with Epic Games' Unreal Engine, providing assets like hairstyles and prisoner uniforms tailored for realistic, real-time avatars in gaming and film. Hacker News highlights advancements in photorealistic, real-time avatars optimized for mobile VR via Gaussian splatting techniques on platforms like the Quest 3 headset, enabling more immersive virtual meetings. The enterprise sector increasingly adopts digital humans and synthetic avatars for brand storytelling and marketing. LinkedIn references experts like Renee Schulte and Lauren Hawker's Affair who discuss digital humans reshaping industry communications through realistic, AI-driven interactions, exemplified by platforms like Higgsfield, which simplifies digital human video creation with lip-sync technology via its Speak feature. Thomas Normark's reference to Parson demonstrates corporate interest in digital human platforms enhancing customer engagement and brand interaction. Meta's website also supports avatar-based experiences like Story Avatar Set, enabling immersive user experiences for interactive events and narrative-driven scenarios. Virtual humans significantly impact healthcare, particularly in elder care and wellness motivation. The University of Auckland investigates virtual humans for enhancing brain health among seniors, testing their effectiveness in encouraging physical and cognitive activities. Additionally, AI developers at Total Life Incorporated deploy sophisticated NLP-enabled avatars to streamline client interactions and clinical sessions, suggesting virtual beings as a valuable tool in personalized healthcare management. In gaming contexts, digital characters and avatars enrich user experiences, with robust discussions around NPCs in popular titles such as Genshin Impact and Minecraft, revealing community interest in realism and immersion provided by high-quality NPC mods. Forums and communities frequently evaluate tools such as Unreal Engines, MetaHuman 2.0 and character creator software, debating their capabilities in realistic digital human creation, animations, and gaming interactions. Virtual influencers, synthetic characters, and digital humans are extensively adopted on platforms like TikTok, with vibrant VTuber communities showcasing personalized virtual avatars engaging large audiences. Platforms promote diverse VTuber content including humorous interactions, storytelling, and real-time engagements, emphasizing the growth of virtual influencers as mainstream entertainment. Digital human platforms such as those highlighted by Higgsfield and Parson further underscore the increasing sophistication and accessibility of tools, allowing creators and brands to develop compelling synthetic influencers and virtual spokespeople. Conversations around virtual beings also touch on ethical and cultural considerations, as illustrated by Bio-Ruxiv's exploration of how neural responses interact with audiovisual virtual humans, addressing deeper questions about realism, empathy, and user perception of synthetic characters. Cultural adoption is also represented in research and practical applications where virtual humans are integrated into social and health initiatives, pushing boundaries of AI-driven virtual interactions and their psychological impacts. AI-powered digital humans transform healthcare, culture, retail, and ethical advocacy globally. Digital humans and AI-driven virtual beings are increasingly being adopted in healthcare and interactive environments. Notably, Roto Pharmaceutical transformed its official VTuber, Kokoro Nebase, into an AI-powered digital human named Neo Kokoro, who can engage in real-time dialogue with users. This digital human debuted at a major exposition, showcasing how advanced generative AI enhances user interaction through realistic and responsive virtual beings. Similarly, the Taiwan-based Minth University of Science and Technology partnered with AI startup Gigalin to launch an interactive web page featuring virtual humans that blend speech recognition, large language models, and virtual being technology, providing users instant, dynamic communication capabilities. These applications demonstrate the effectiveness of virtual beings in user-centric and healthcare-oriented interactions, reflecting broader trends in personalized technology. Digital humans are becoming integral to preserving cultural heritage and revolutionizing entertainment experiences. Anqing Normal University actively utilizes digital humans to protect and disseminate Wangmei Opera through a virtual reality museum system that integrates immersive and interactive components, enabling users to engage deeply with traditional performances. In Nanning, China, the AI virtual character Xiao Nan presents historical archives through engaging video series, effectively revitalizing and popularizing local history among the public. This blending of traditional culture with advanced digital human technologies underscores their growing significance in cultural preservation and entertainment. The retail sector increasingly leverages digital humans and avatars to revolutionize customer experience and optimize marketing strategies. Alibaba's Taobao Vision is reportedly deploying sophisticated 3D digital humans in flagship stores, enhancing customer interactions and personalization within the e-commerce environment. Likewise, JD.com introduced innovative features through digital human-led live streaming, effectively repurposing high-quality live-streamed content into targeted marketing snippets, amplifying audience reach and engagement. Additionally, Feng Xiaozhi, an AI-powered digital human developed by tech firm Hanho Technology, facilitates intelligent, precise digital services for business parks, exemplifying digital human integration into enterprise-level marketing and customer service applications. Companies such as Ultra Social are driving advancements in digital humans by developing platforms like Spake, an AI-generated digital human used in various interactive commerce scenarios. Ultra Social's recent funding underscores the growing economic interest in digital human technologies. Similarly, VTuber to digital human transformations, exemplified by Roto's collaboration with Ultra Social, reflect a strategic shift toward more interactive and responsive virtual beings powered by generative AI, highlighting technological innovations within the digital human landscape. Global advocacy and educational institutions increasingly recognize the importance of digital human rights education, illustrated by initiatives like the Digital Rights Tour promoted by organizations such as the Abogacia Española. This educational drive highlights the intersection of digital human technologies and human rights, aiming to establish frameworks and awareness around the ethical use and implications of virtual beings, avatars, and synthetic characters. These initiatives underscore the necessity of integrating ethical considerations into the expanding domain of digital human applications across multiple sectors. In Germany, AI avatars, Key Avatara, are transforming customer service in retail and potentially addressing staff shortages in healthcare. The deployment of AI-powered avatars in customer advisory roles represents a significant advancement in retail interactions, offering tailored and responsive services. Simultaneously, these technologies are evaluated for healthcare settings, where avatars might mitigate personnel shortages by performing basic advisory functions, underscoring their flexibility and efficiency in high-demand environments. Scholarly exploration of AI-powered virtual influencers and synthetic avatars across commerce, education, and social influence. The paper by Y. Xie and Casey D'Souza focuses on AI-powered live streaming commerce, ALSC, highlighting the role of virtual influencers, VIs, defined as highly anthropomorphic interactive digital beings, utilized in marketing and product promotion. These virtual beings are driven by generative artificial intelligence to interact dynamically with consumers in real-time commerce scenarios, enhancing customer engagement and purchase intent. The authors adopt groundedness theory to explore how realistic, relatable, and believable virtual influencers influence consumer perceptions, behaviors, and feelings of connection during online shopping experiences. E. A. El-Nashar's research integrates artificial intelligence with philosophical education and historical cultural studies, specifically applying AI within the 10G framework to digitally reconstruct and reinterpret ancient Egyptian fashion. This intersection involves generating virtual representations or digital avatars that embody historical authenticity and contemporary educational methodologies. These synthetic characters and digital humans serve as pedagogical tools, bringing ancient cultural heritage vividly into educational environments, fostering deeper engagement with fashion design and historical philosophies through interactive and visually immersive virtual experiences. P. Dubey's discussion about influencers explores the expansive impact social media personalities, including virtual influencers and synthetic avatars, have on shaping public trends, behaviors, and beliefs, including abnormal or potentially harmful ones. The study acknowledges that virtual beings, capable of simulating realistic human interactions and personalities, significantly amplify influencers' persuasive power on digital platforms. While not solely dedicated to virtual influencers, the implications extend to synthetic characters whose design and behaviors can be manipulated or engineered to propagate specific trends, raising ethical considerations about authenticity, influence, and public responsibility in digital marketing and social media engagement.